Number 1.
1995 Ford F-150, price $10,000, 2WD automatic pickup powered by a 5.8L V8 gasoline engine with 115,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a white exterior, and a gray interior. The truck runs great with no known mechanical issues and has been regularly maintained. A Carfax report has already been pulled and is available upon request. Recent service includes a fully serviced AC system with refrigerant recharge, cooling system inspection, replacement of the cooling fan clutch and heater hoses, fresh oil and filter change, and an engine oil and fluid leak inspection. Maintenance updates consist of new tires, new brakes, new wheel bearings, new shocks, and a complete tune-up including spark plugs, wires, cap, and rotor. Known drawbacks include a worn driver's side door weather seal that allows water in during heavy rain, a sagging headliner, and a radio that powers on but has intermittent sound issues.
Number 2.
1973 Ford F250, price $10,000, well-preserved classic truck that remains in very good condition for its age. The vehicle shows approximately 76,000 miles on the odometer, reflecting careful use over the years. It features a clean white exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a timeless and understated appearance. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a V8 engine that runs excellently and delivers strong, reliable performance. Power is sent through a 4-speed manual transmission, providing a more engaging and traditional driving experience. As a smog-exempt vehicle, this F250 offers added convenience and peace of mind, especially for collectors or enthusiasts. The truck is described as all original and unmolested, retaining its factory character without significant modifications.
Number 3.
1983 Toyota regular cab, price $9,500. It comes with a clean title that is ready in hand, making the ownership transfer straightforward. The truck is powered by a gasoline engine mated to a manual transmission, delivering a classic and engaging driving feel, and it is also equipped with power steering for easier handling. The exterior is finished in red and has recently received new paint, giving the truck a fresh and clean appearance. The gray interior is in good condition, showing minimal wear for its age and reflecting careful ownership. Overall, the vehicle presents very well both inside and out. In addition, a new carburetor has been installed to support smooth and reliable operation. The truck is smog check ready and has been properly maintained, making it suitable for regular use or as a collectible classic pickup.
Number 4.
1991 GMC 1500, price $6,400, showing approximately 199,000 miles, equipped with a manual transmission and powered by a gasoline V6 engine. The truck runs and drives well, though it has a slightly rough idle when started and emits a small amount of smoke. It has not been fully inspected yet, making it a good candidate for a project or light restoration. The exterior was originally black, but the original paint is sunburned and is currently covered with a red wrap, while the interior is finished in gray. The truck sits low with a rear notch and shorter front springs, giving it an aggressive stance without bottoming out during driving. It also features an upgraded sound system, new tires, and new brake pads. The interior has been fully lined with sound-deadening material for a quieter ride, and it rides on 22-inch wheels, adding to its custom look.
Number 5.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, powered by a 350 V8 engine with 139,000 miles and paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in green with a tan interior, it runs on gasoline and features a 2/4 drop suspension. The truck rides and drives great and is reliable enough to be driven anywhere. It comes well equipped with power windows, power door locks, cruise control, a tilt steering wheel, and fully functioning heat and air conditioning, including a completely new AC system. Additional upgrades include headers with a full exhaust, headlight and taillight covers, tinted windows, a double DIN radio, and a bed cover. The exterior shows some clear coat issues on the upper half of the truck, along with rust in the rocker panels and cab corners.
Number 6.
1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,400. It is equipped with a 5.0L engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and reliable performance. The truck features a brown exterior complemented by a beige interior, giving it a classic and well-kept appearance. As a 2WD model, it comes loaded with power options, offering added comfort and convenience. One unique aspect of this vehicle is its liquid propane fuel system, which is clean-burning and efficient.
The build plate is still intact and can be seen in the photos, reflecting the truck's originality. The vehicle was last registered in 2015 and has been off the road for over 10 years, which may make it suitable for restoration, collection, or specialty use.
the Chevrolet 1500 is being sold with a bill of sale only and does not come with a title.
Number 7.
1988 GMC 1500, price $4,500, shows 180,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a silver exterior complemented by a blue interior, giving it a clean and classic look. The truck is equipped with a factory tow package and brake controller, making it a capable option for hauling or towing. It runs strong and clean, indicating solid mechanical condition, and is fitted with a Kenwood head unit for improved audio. The seat has been newly upholstered, adding comfort and a refreshed interior feel. This GMC has been well cared for over the years, with complete maintenance records available dating back to when it was purchased new, reflecting consistent ownership and regular upkeep.
Number 8.
1995 Chevrolet 3500, price $4,200. It has 179,000 miles and is powered by an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior combined with a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic look. The truck carries a salvage title, but it runs and drives very well and is suitable for regular use. It is equipped with power windows and power door locks, adding convenience and comfort. The vehicle has recently received a new tune-up, helping ensure reliable performance. It also includes an aftermarket stereo system with a rear-view camera, along with new speakers installed throughout the cabin for improved sound quality.
All 4 tires are in solid condition, with approximately 80% tread life remaining. Number 9.
1984 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500, equipped with a 350 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The truck features a blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, giving it a classic and cohesive look. It runs and drives, making it a solid project or starting point for further improvements.
However, the transmission is currently stuck in first gear and will require attention.
Additionally, the carburetor needs some work, as the engine runs rough intermittently. The truck is still wearing Oregon license plates, although the title transfer has not yet been completed. Due to limited time, the owner has not been able to address the mechanical issues or finish the transfer process.
Number 10.
1974 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, shows approximately 200,000 miles and is currently running well. The truck is registered and powered by a 350 small block Chevrolet engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, and runs on gasoline. This truck is a great candidate for restoration, offering a solid foundation for someone looking to bring it back to its former glory or continue improving it as a driver. It has already benefited from several recent updates, including a new gas tank, new fuel sending unit, new rubber fuel hoses, a new electric fuel pump, as well as new shocks and struts.
In addition, there are other new components that have been replaced over time.